In the heart of Portsmouth, Crown Palace promises a stay of a lifetime, unparalleled in comfort, convenience, and luxury. Take your pick from the tastefully designed units, ranging from cozy studios to spacious apartments, tailored to your preferences. All rooms here feature snug beds and dedicated study areas complete with a desk and chair plus spacious wardrobes and drawers, complete with a private ensuite shower room, adding a touch of luxury. That's not all. While a private fitness suite lets you tone up those muscles, the presence of a study room ensures you always stay at the zenith of your academic game. There's also a club lounge, cinema room, bike storage, and laundry facility, letting you experience the ideal student life. Additionally, when it's time to hit the books, TEG English Portsmouth and the University of Portsmouth are both a short stroll away. Savor delectable meals at Natty's Jerk and Otaku Sushi, followed by a steaming hot cup of coffee at Cafe in the Park or Morrison's Cafe. Plus, you get to go for a stroll and rejuvenate in the lap of nature, as and when you want, with Landport Park and Ravelin Park being close by. With various bus stops and train stations close by, commuting is going to be the least of your hassles. So if you're ready to experience Portsmouth in its magnificent entirety, this is your chance. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your ideal stay at Crown Palace today.